Okay, good morning everybody. It is Sunday the 27th of November 2022. I am over at the Isle of Man Ferry terminal in Liverpool on the pier head. Let me turn you around. There you go. As you'll see, it's looking like it's getting very close to completion now, this one. Windows, covering the entire main terminal. The Manx signs up on the top, the roof's pretty much done, and those two smaller buildings now, they've got sides on. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's really getting there. I'm giving this one 2 weeks between coming and doing these videos now, because now that they've covered the outside, loads of workers internal. There's not loads to see from the air. There's still bits, so don't get me wrong. It's still worth coming and getting the shots and the footage in, but not every week, as it was at one point when we were just seeing loads being done. It's a really quiet site this morning, nobody working, so we're going to get up in the air and take a look. Tell you what I was looking at then, if you see me looking. This the pathway they're doing. This is the start of the pathway that's going to go right along. I think it should go right along to Bramley-Moore Dock when they do the moor. So it's looking like they've done more work there to flatten out that pathway. So yeah, guys, they're going to get up in the air, take a look at this Isle of Man Ferry terminal on Sunday the 27th of November 2022. Let's get up there. Right, okay guys, so that was my next update of the Isle of Man Ferry terminal. It's like I said at the beginning, it's the 27th of November 2022. I'm just going to turn you around. I'm standing right here at the back of it. As you can see there, it is looking, really well, and really close to completion. And if I turn you around, you'll see those two smaller buildings as well, that have got sides on now and are really coming on. You can like see right through. Do you know what? It's quite a. Wish I had my camera, because if you can look right through and actually see the Everton Stadium at Bramley-Moore Dock at the very end as well. So yeah, guys, it's actually looking really good. Coming towards completion, as I said at the beginning. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I'll come over in about 2 weeks' time or so. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Be more than happy to address them in any of these videos. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. Only about 30% of people that watch my videos actually subscribe, so please hit that subscribe button. If you would like to buy me a beer, you can do so using this link. And for any branded clothing like this, go to Design and Stitch. You'll see them down below. You can also go to this link here to go directly to my shop on their website, where you can buy any of my hats, beanies, hoodies, anything like that. Yeah, so feel free. Guys, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Keep your eye out. I'll be over here again in a few weeks. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye now.